You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is originally a name from Greek mythology. This is also the name of a moon of Jupiter. Many moons are named after Greek mythology characters now. So the character from Greek mythology is usually pronounced in English as Elara. Elara, from Greek Elara. Elara would be Greek, also Spanish or Italian. In English, it's usually pronounced as Elara. Now, it could also be pronounced as Elara if it's a given name to a girl or a woman. Elara could be also the English pronunciation, but for the mythological character, it's usually Elara. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.